So we will describe the state symbols of various states of India. The animals, the birds, the trees and the flowers. Those are used to symbolize the prominent state. So let's start. Animal-Blackbuck, bird Indian roller, tree Margosa, flower water lily. Arunachal Pradesh, animal হচ্ছে গায়াল, bird হচ্ছে great hornbill, tree holong, flower lady slipper. Assam, animal one-horned rhino, bird wood duck white wing, tree হচ্ছে holong, flower foxtail orchid. Bihar, animal gaur, bird house sparrow, tree sacred fig, flower white orchid. Chhattisgarh, animal wild buffalo, bird Bastar hill Myna, tree sal. Goa, animal gaur, bird black crested bulbul, tree asna. Gujarat, animal Asiatic lion, bird greater flamingo, tree mango, flower marigold. Haryana, animal blackbuck, bird black francolin, tree people, flower lotus. Himachal Pradesh, animal snow leopard, bird western tragopan, Tree-Deodar, flower rhododendron. Jammu and Kashmir, animal Kashmir stag, bird black-necked crane, tree horse chestnut, flower rhododendron. Jharkhand, animal Indian elephant, bird Asian quail, tree sal, flower parrot tree. Karnataka, animal Indian elephant, bird Indian roller, tree sandalwood, flower lotus. Kerala, animal Indian elephant, bird great hornbill, tree coconut, flower golden shower. Madhya Pradesh, animal Barasinga, bird paradise flycatcher, tree banyan, flower parrot tree. Maharashtra, animal giant squirrel, bird green pigeon, tree mango, flower jarul. Manipur, animal Sangai, bird Hume's pheasant, tree Indian mahogany, Flower-Siroi lily. Meghalaya, animal clouded leopard, bird hill Myna, tree white teak, flower lady slipper. Mizoram, animal Hoolock Gibbon, bird Hume's pheasant, tree ironwood, flower red Vanda. Nagaland, animal gaur, bird bleach Tragopan, tree alder, flower rhododendron. Odisha, animal Sambhar, bird Indian roller, tree asatwa, flower asok. Punjab, animal blackbuck, bird northern goshawk, tree Indian rosewood. Rajasthan, animal chinkara, bird great bastard, tree khejri, flower rohira. Sikkim, animal red panda, bird Pheasant, tree rhododendron, flower noble orchid. Tamil Nadu, animal Nilgiri tahir, bird emerald dove, tree palmyra palm, flower glory lily. Telangana, animal jinka, bird palapitta, tree jammi chettu, flower tangetu pubbu. Tripura, animal fairies langur, bird green imperial pigeon, tree agar, flower nagkeshar. Uttarakhand, animal masked deer, bird Himalayan munal, tree burans, flower brahmakamal. Uttar Pradesh, animal swamp deer, bird saras crane, tree asok, flower palash. West Bengal, animal fishing cat, bird white-breasted kingfisher, tree devil tree, flower jasmine. So it's completed. Thank you.